Welcome back to my cooking recipe. Some jack mackerel breakfast with rice. So we have some vegetable cut up right there. We have a mackerel right there. We have the water boiled to cook the rice. Some scallion pepper, garlic, onion, tomato cut up right there. Some vegetable. We have some bush tea right there. So I'm gonna show you prepare my jack mackerel breakfast recipe. So I'm gonna add some oil to my pot that go on hot and thin. You know, it's a simple, natural, short video. It's not a long video. So all the people to the lovers who love mackerel, run come over here and like this video. So you know, for the oil and thing, but don't want to extra hot, and don't want my seasoning to burn up. And so I'm seasoning them go on fry for 5 minutes. Remember Jamaican cooking, remember that, please like and share. So this is what you do to the end and subscribe. So I'm starting by stir up this seasoning and thing, green seasoning, and at that time to taste and flavor same way. And put the rice in the pot and thing. Yeah. So I'm showing you the recipe. I have a 1 jack mackerel right there. So let me also the seasoning fry up and ready and thing now. So I'm gonna add my jack mackerel in the recipe. So before the mackerel and thing, you can see the presentation. So I'm gonna take out the middle of the mackerel. Some people don't like it that way, but me, yeah, but some video me have voice over, so I can't really voice over them good. So you know, the recipe ready and thing. You can see the presentation, breakfast, mackerel, you see the spice, you see the rice. Remember, please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment.